So now let's start with our questions, PYQs, get previous year's questions. So now here you can see I have taken two questions here. Get 2005 1 mark question in DFT. DFT means depth first traversal. So difference between traversal and search is that in traversal, even if the graph is not connected, we can still do DFS. It is just basically the difference between search and traversal. So here what are asking, n vertices is there, k edges are there, number of connected components. Connected components means if a graph has connected component, how many connected are there. This is a connected component, this is another connected component. So more about components we will do in graph theory in our mathematics course, because in GATE everything will be jumbled up in questions. So before GATE it will be all clear to you. Just for now, just concentrate here how I am doing. So this is already clear, right? Depth first traversal means traversal is different with search is that in traversal you can do DFS even if the whole graph is not connected, and in search we have to do like if the graph is wholly connected, then only we can do depth first search. Okay, so here number of connected components is asked. So let's say these two are our connected components. So let's see, these are the vertices. So number of vertices are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 vertices and components are only 2. So now actually k is edges. So edges 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So you can see this is our answer. So I have just taken an example, and with the help of just I have done it, but in graph theory I will do more about it. Okay, so now let's come to our second question. Efficient algorithm for finding number of connected components like this connected components in an undirected, okay, not directed graph on n vertices, m edges. So in previously I have told you that in efficient way is always m plus n. Okay, so not this is wrong, because don't take a v square n square, because that will be not efficient. With the help of adjacency list we can do m plus n, not with the help of adjacency matrix we can do m square, but it is not efficient. This is efficient, and this is already wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. So this is our correct answer. Now let's see this question. This was asked in GATE 2008 1 mark question, and this is asking possible BFS from among all this given 4 option, which is a correct BFS traversal. So now we will do BFS. So what BFS says, that put all as ready state. Please see the algorithm first and then come to this video. So now let's see if it is possible. Just take it that this is correct answer and do the BFS. So m means m is our starting vertex. So m is put in Q and change the status as waiting. Okay, so now since it is waiting, and drop it from the Q, and all the adjacent vertices are kept in the Q. So here let's see the option, like one after another it is coming n. Yes, it's okay since it is adjacent. O is not adjacent to n. It would have been possible if there would have been a edge, but it is not. So O cannot come after m. Only n, q, r can be possible. So this is wrong. You can understand, right? O is not adjacent to m, since our algorithm says only the adjacent vertices will be put into Q, but O is not. So this is wrong. Let's see our next. All are at ready state only. Now n is our starting vertex. So n is here, and now n is waiting. Then cross it out n, and then put all the adjacent vertices in our Q. What are the adjacent vertices? It is showing Q, M and P. See, P is not adjacent to N. Okay, so this is not possible. If O would have been here, then it would have been possible, but it is not, since P is not adjacent. So this is also wrong. So now next is here, Q is our starting vertex. So let's say here, ready and waiting, Q is present in Q, irony, right? So Q, so let's say the adjacent vertices are M, N, P, M, N, P. Yes, these are all adjacent vertices, M, N, P. Yes, this is right. Then M is again, so this is processed, and then M is waiting. So adjacent to M is O. So this is actually correct, but see, let's see the whole thing. So M, then processed, then N, it is waiting, and nothing is there. Adjacent is always, it's already in the Q. One second. P, R. So now M is processed, so R is put in our Q, since it is adjacent to M. So M is also processed. Now N is our waiting state. Now see, adjacent to this but not already in the Q is O. So this is basically correct. Okay, but let's see. So now N is processed. So all of this has nothing adjacent to it. It is already which are already in, not in this Q. So just pop one by one. Sorry. So this is a correct option. This way you can do BFS. Now let's see the next. In 2008 it was not MSQ, but still let's check it out. Now here Q is our starting vertex, Q is then waiting state, and then it is processed. All M, N, P are put here. M and P are all adjacent, so nothing to do. This is processed. All these are waiting state, M, N, P. Then M is adjacent to R, so it has to be R. Okay, so O cannot come after N because O is not adjacent to M. If it would have been N here, then it would have been different, but O cannot come after N, only R can come. So this is false. So only option correct here is C. So now this is another GATE question. It was asked in GATE 2017, 1 mark question. Same way you have to find out possible BFS traversal from this given graph and this given options. So let's see. So what we do, we put ready status in all the vertices. Now let's see. This is our first option, M, N, O, P, Q. OPQ, then so M is our starting vertex. So M is put, it is waiting status, then M is DQ'd, then which are the adjacent, N and R, but it is asked Q also, but it is going to directly to O. Same way we have done it in our previous question also. O is not adjacent to M, so this is wrong. So now let's move on to our next, N. So N is our starting vertex, let's say. Now N is waiting, so now N is deleted, waiting, deleted then waiting. Okay, so deleted then waiting, and now all the adjacent vertices, Q, then M, then P. So P cannot be possible, is not possible because P is not adjacent to M, so this is false. So now our next option is this. So let's say Q is our starting vertex. So Q is here, then Q is popped and it was in waiting state, then it is popped, and now all the adjacent vertices will be put in our Q. So adjacent vertices are M, yes, M is adjacent, then N, N is also adjacent. R is not adjacent. It would have been O, but R, if it would have been like this, then it would have possible, but it is not. R is not adjacent to Q because there are no direct edges in between R and Q. So this is false. Obviously this is correct, but let's see the option here. So now P is our starting vertex. P, then P is in waiting state, then P is deleted, then all the adjacent are in Q. So P, O is adjacent, Q is adjacent, then nothing, only this two. Then this is processed. Now O, take O is waiting, then O is deleted. Now adjacent to O is N, is set in Q, so this is possible, N is there. So now this is processed. Now Q is here, so Q is here, then Q is deleted, waiting, then adjacent to Q only M is adjacent, so this is there, so Q is dequeued and it is here. So now it is processed, Q is done full. Then N just pop it out because already all the adjacent edges are already in, all the adjacent vertices are already in our Q, so just don't do anything, just pop it out. Then M, this is, what was it, N, processed. Now it was in waiting state. Now see the adjacent vertices, R is our adjacent vertices, so R is put in our Q, then this is dequeued and this is processed. So N, then M, then only R will be dequeued, so this is our correct option. So this way, this is our correct option. So this kind of questions are feasible in GATE, so practice well. So I have done few questions on BFS and AFS, so you do other questions which are available. So those question PYQs, it will make you like easy with, because I am doing maybe first or something, but you with help of practice you will be able to do it easily also. So one thing you can do is pause the videos, write algorithms and all if you are following my videos, and the thing is then the next step is do PYQs and then straightforward go to test series only, because it is high time now, it is May, you should start with test series.